Alright guys, so before we start today's video, I actually changed the profile picture a little bit more. If you want me to change it back, I definitely can. I'm just wondering your opinions on this one. I feel like this one looks a little bit better in my opinion. I don't know what it is. But if you guys want the red skin tone, I can do it. But yeah. Anyways, also we're at 299 subscribers. Like, we need one more subscriber until 300. Like, come on, bro. Like, just subscribe. Like, we need one person, then this thing will probably get changed. Something way more epic, like gaming. But yeah, that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is actually about Dungeon Quest. So let's go inside of Dungeon Quest right now. Oh gosh, my channel trailer is playing. The most disturbing thing just happened on it. Yeah, what is that? Like, yeah. Just if you ever see a video that's disturbing to you on my channel, just go to the card in the corner and click subscribe, and then you won't have to exit out and go to my channel. It's pretty convenient if you ask me. Anyways, I'm just gonna yeah, this proves I was just changing it. I don't like Bed Wars. We don't like Bed Wars anymore. Just kidding. Bed Wars is a pretty fun game. Also, my Robux, just ripped my Robux like 128. Like I'm sorry, bro, but I just have tiny bit of Robux. It's pretty sad, honestly, for me, because I spend all my Robux very easily. So let's go into Dungeon Quest. And oh yeah, by the way, the brand new cosmetic is out. I don't have a screenshot of it yet. I don't know what it looks like. I want to know what it looks like so bad. That's why I've been grinding for it like 24/7. Hasn't even been out 24 hours yet, but like, who cares? Why didn't they update the thing where it says cosmetic can now be dropped from Northern Lands in description? It says daily reward. See, look. But like, I want the Northern Lands cosmetic piece. It's just another cosmetic to add to my bucket list of many dungeon cosmetics that I'm very lucky to have. I have a feeling I'm going to get this one, but I don't know why. I just feel like I'm going to get it like in a long time. Like, I feel like I'm going to get it when like the next dungeon comes out or something. I almost know that I'm going to get it eventually. It just will take like a very long time because no one, I think, has it yet, or no star creator or YouTube person has it yet. So I'm loading into Dungeon Quest, and I'm going to be showing you guys some sets that are from the new dungeon. And yeah, I guess we'll just speed up the process by editing, shall we? Okay guys, so I actually ended up joining a private server because people were swarming me asking me for carries, which is fine. You know, I like helping people, but now it's not the time for carries. Now it's the time for a YouTube video. And you see, there's a YouTube button right there. So just click that. Or actually, what you should be... Oh, my friend joined. Nice. Okay. Yeah, but now let's just get into the video. Okay, guys, so the first nightmare set we're going to be showing is the Jotun, I think it's pronounced. Jotun, Hotun. I don't know how it's pronounced. Like, actually, these things. Oh yeah, the event. Oh my god, I hate it so much. At least I got that, even though. Anyways, this is what the tier 2 set looks like. I don't have the insane set on me right now. When I get it, I might showcase it to you guys, like the Midgardian one. Well, actually, all you need to do for Warrior is just look at the Midgardian champion, imagine him being red, and then that's basically what it is. So clicking into our inventory, we have the Jotun Warrior helmet. I'm just going to pronounce it Jotun for now. Jotun Warrior armor. These are not upgraded, by the way, because I'm not going to waste my gold on it. Frost Giant Great Axe. 6.58. I'm pretty sure that's a decent pot. I'm not going to use the legendary just yet. But yeah, let's go. Let's go test our damage here. Alright, let's test out our damage. Okay, so we have this. Then we have this first warrior skill. 1.14Q. It's not too bad, but like I feel like it could be a little bit better. Oh my god, I cannot spell today. Oh, this is the fully maxed out set. Now let's look at the other mage skill, the Gale Barrage. Let's see how good that is. That's interesting. Okay, through Bobux give. Okay, so Gale Barrage, I'm pretty sure is the worst skill, and the better one is Flame Shuriken. Bro, this guy, 1.1. Yeah, I think 1.14 is like the highest we're gonna get out of this. Let's just try one more time. 1.12. Okay, that's worse. But yeah, basically this is the average around like a purple set non-upgraded for Jotun Warrior. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna waste all my gold because I want to save that for like upgrading like future god pot sets maybe that I get. All right, so now let's look at the next warrior set, which is actually mine. All right, guys, so this is my current set. Hold on. Okay, so clicking into our inventory, we have the Valhalla Warrior Helmet, 6.2. It's kind of bad pot. We have the Valhalla Warrior Armor, 6.55. I'm pretty sure this one I think is like okay. This one sucks, I think. But to be fair, I did a 6.58 for this set, which I'm pretty sure is worth it. I also do more damage, but this is basically if we're rounding 6.6. So that would be like 2 off, which would barely do anything. Then we have the Mjolnir. I think that's how you pronounce it. 69.8. 6390. I'm pretty sure it's decent pot. Like I'm pretty sure that's pretty good. Like this is fully upgraded. Let's test our damage. Okay, that's my lowest, I think. Also, I set my HP a little bit higher, so I'm going to do a little less damage than I normally do. My average is like 1.6 or 1.62. Oh, wow. We actually did a decent amount there. I know I don't do like the best damage in the game, obviously. Okay, 1.68. We're close to the big 1.7. I think my highest is 1.71 with 445 million HP, which is my usual, but I'm just experimenting with this amount of HP. Oh yeah, also new featured cosmetic shop. Go buy your cosmetics. Bob Frost Giant Boy, and these are really cool weapons. I'll buy them when I get the chance. Okay, now we have to go to the mage, which you know what that means. It's auto clicker time. Okay, so I'm just realizing right now I don't have any Mage Valhalla, but what I do have is a Staff of the North maxed out. So we can compare this one versus this one. I think I did like 1.14 with like that set. Do I have a full purple mage set? I might. Let me see. I have a bunch of like gray helmets and green helmets. Oh, I have a purple helmet. Do I have a purple chest, please? I know I've had one at some point. I have a blue chest. Purple. Let's go. Okay, I actually have a full set. Nice. That's actually pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm just realizing that I don't have an inner focus. That's how much of a noob I am. But this is the full purple Jotun Mage set. Let's compare it. Is this maxed out? No, it's not. But let's compare it to my other one. Okay, Jotun War helmet. This one's a little worse. Where's my chest? Where's my purple Jotun chest? We do also have the Guardian as well. 4.7, 4.9. Okay, so this is a little better and this is a little worse. Interesting. Training range receiving. Let's go on. But it's not worth it at all. And because I don't have an inner focus, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to like use like both of the skills So we're actually going to start off with Geyser, or Glacier, or whatever it is. Geyser, I think. Geyser, Geyser. So if we do 6.11 times 2. Hey Siri, what's 611 times 2?
611 times 2 is 1,222.
Okay, so because it's 80%, it'd be maybe around like 1 Q maybe. So yeah, it's kind of like the same kind of with this if we do the math. Like the sets comparison, they're kind of both the same. Let's try the other skill. Soldiering. Oh god, we have a lot of numbers. I'm not calculating that. Sorry. I'm not calculating those numbers. But yeah. Mage versus Warrior. I don't have Mage Valhalla yet. If I get it, well, I actually dropped a green, but I gave it to my friend because he's Mage. But like, okay, let me just, yeah. My set is the best one I have currently, like my Warrior set. Even though the helmet is trash. Where is the helmet even? Oh, it's right here. Okay, let's equip the legendary. I just turned off my auto clicker as well. I'm stupid. Well, that would have to be the video, I think. Let me reset these. Let me put this to 15. Now, wait, let me actually test one more thing. How much damage do I do without any skill points? Wow. Okay, that's good. Now I'm just going to have to. Oh wait, I forgot. There's a thing called an auto clicker. Yeah, I'm just going to grab that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.